The world is energy, and everything that exists in this world is energy. The energy can be positive or negative. The human body and things or objects that are either living or non-living, everything stores energy within them. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is a real eye-opener, as we are going to dive deep into this exciting topic where we will explore the things that should be eliminated from the house to remove negativity and maintain a harmonious environment within the home. This topic completely aligns with the law of attraction, and it will help you figure out why your manifestation is halfway through. So embrace yourselves as we start an amazing journey to attract prosperity and abundance in our house and life. Number 1. Broken items. Broken items take over the valuable space in your house, and it can store a lot of negative energy, which even symbolizes stagnation. Broken items hinder the ability to attract new opportunities and create energy blockages. It creates obstruction in the energy flow. These broken objects and items could be something special. It could be a gift or a loving gesture from your loved one, or it could be a mirror or teacups or mugs, anything that once created a value in the life. And I can understand it might hurt a little to let go of the things or the objects that you once loved. You get connected to the objects. You create memories with them. But the broken items are a thief of joy and prosperity, of upcoming positive energy and opportunities. So take a look around your house. Find the broken items. Fix it if you can, or donate it. By doing so and letting these items go with gratitude, we let go of the negative energy that it has stored within it and creates a space for new life opportunities, a fresh and new beginning with lots of memories, with positive energies and abundance. Number 2. Unused or dirty garments. Our home is a sanctuary. We live there. We create many memories. We rest. We worship. We do every life activity in our home. Our house is like a temple, and we don't want any negativity in the temple. We don't want our temple to clutter. We often tend to keep our old clothes that we don't even wear. Keeping old clothes not only takes up valuable space in our house, it also stores energy. We sure love our clothes and wore them more frequently. But suddenly there is an energy shift. We stopped wearing it, and now it's around the corner of the wardrobe unused. That happens because we have changed and we are moving forward in life. We are attracting new energies and creating new experiences. We change with time, and it's inevitable. But when we store those garments, and we tend to store the negative energy that stays with them. Even with dirty clothes, we sure cannot throw everything. But we need to remember to keep our clothes and space clean. When we go out and come back to our home, we return with outside energies that we and our clothes have gathered dirt and negativity from the outside world. So it is very crucial to keep our clothes clean. We should not keep our clean and tied up clothes together. So to align the energy that you desire, we have to let go of the energy from the past. Giving away or throwing away old clothes can remove negativity and makes up space for new progress and prosperity. We don't want our progress to stagnate from the past. We no longer want it in our life. Express your gratitude and let go. Number 3. Fake flowers. As pretty and as decorative as fake flowers seem, we should not keep them in our houses or offices. Fake flowers do not need any maintenance, and it easily gathers dust and dirt on it. And we all know what comes along with dust and dirt. Negative energy. Although it makes the house visually appealing and decorative, fake flowers never bring real happiness. Vastu Shastra also tells that keeping fake flowers in the house lacks harmony and understanding among the people and family members living in the house. Scientific reasoning for removing fake flowers from the house is that they clutter dust, as they do not require any maintenance to grow or look appealing. And this might create breathing difficulty due to all the dust. And it even makes the house dirty. Keeping fake flowers at home allows negative energy to enter our house, resulting in many obstacles on the way to abundance and prosperity. If you like flowers, you can benefit from indoor plants and flowers to assist filter the air within the house, removing negative auras and making room for success and a smooth life. Number 4. Broken clocks or watches. Every household has clocks and watches. People often give clocks as gifts on several occasions. And that is an amazing gift to give to someone who is starting a new journey in life, as it brings joy and positivity. But what after the battery is dead, after some time, or unfortunately it gets broken? We do not throw them. Of course, it holds a lot of emotions and feelings are connected to the items. We have connections to them. We have created many memories with it. However, it's time to get rid of the clocks and watches that are not working. Broken clock or watches allows the negative flow of energy. It is believed that it brings bad luck to the house. The negative energy brings problems and stops progress, especially financial problems. It may create blockages in attracting prosperity and money. Negative energy only brings loss and sadness to the house. If you have a clock or watch that is not working, maybe the battery died. You can change the battery and it will work the same. But if it does not, then it is not worth keeping broken things in the house. No matter how precious that was for you. Make up the space for new journeys and new beginnings. Taking the risk and attracting negative energy is not worth old memories and time. The past is gone. The past should only be kept in memories, not on any object or item. Broken items store energy. Make sure all the watches and clock in your house work, and if it does not, remember it's time to let go of the past life and start a new beginning. Number 5. Broken or cracked mirror or glass. Broken and cracked mirrors attract negativity and hinder the peacefulness of the house. Keeping broken mirrors in the house creates and gives inauspicious results. The vibrations coming out from the broken mirrors are negative. The restlessness and lack of peace and harmony in the house, since mirrors are reflective in nature. When the light reflects from the broken mirror, the negative energy and vibrations are reflected. This energy is very strong, and it affects every member living in the house. You cannot glue the broken mirror and keep that in the house. Mirror breaking in the first place itself brings bad luck to the house, and there is not any other option but to throw it away. No one wants bad luck in the house, so if you have broken glass or the window, change the glass. Gluing it or fixing it won't work. Throw away the broken things and do not risk attracting any bad luck in the house. This will hinder the energy flow and abundance in the house. It's not superstitious at all. It can cause accidents, as broken mirrors or glasses are sharp and anyone could be affected at any time. So, it is better to throw the broken things from the house and start new and attract abundance and prosperity in the family. Our lives and what we attract in life are directly and profoundly affected by the state of our house, and it is our responsibility to keep our home, our temple, clean. Let's not allow the outside negative energy to hinder the current energy flow of the house. Keeping our house clean in every corner and removing all the unused items or the items that we no longer use should either be thrown or given away to maintain the positive energy flow in our home. By clearing out clutter and unwanted possessions, we can purge the atmosphere of the house and let go of harmful friendships and constricting beliefs. It is imposing limitations to harmonize with the energy of the universe. Make room in your mind and home for happiness and abundance by connecting with the universe. Release the past so that you can align with the universe's richness and wonderful energy.